Hello guys, welcome. And in today's video, I will just teach you how to set up Python. So from my next video, you can just go ahead and learn Python. No think of installing. So here first you need to go to python.org. I will leave it there link in the description. Go to downloads. Here it is for Windows latest. I will click on download. Here it will come and just follow the steps like you download any other thing. And here you can, if you have any other OS, then somewhere you can do it. And then you have to download a Python interpreter. For that I am using Visual Studio Code. I will leave the link of downloading it in the description also. Then you can download for all these and then just click on download and just follow the steps. Now here I did only this opened up. So now you can read new file and all that if you have a Python also installed. And then you have to press Windows and R all together. Here I have recent type CMD. Press enter. Here now you have to first check if you have Python. For that you have to type python.exe. Press enter. Here this all come, which means you have Python. If an error comes or a window pops up, which means you still don't have Python installed. Now all I have to do is download some packages, which are First, if you download any package, you always have to type pip and then install. Okay. So here are some things which you have to install before, so that in future videos we don't have to waste time on how to install them. Type Django. Okay. Press enter. I think I did something wrong. Wait. Yeah, if you're installing any packages, caps and caps off don't matter. Only for the pip and installation.
Hello
the
guys,
package name is clearly does not matter. And in today's video, I will just teach you how to set up Python. Error coming. So from my next video, you can just go ahead and learn Python. No think of installing. Let's first you have to go to python.org. I will leave it there link in the description. Python. Go to downloads. Here it is for Windows latest. To type, I will click on download. Here and it comes and just follow the steps. Until now I download any other thing. Now it will. And here you can, if you have any other OS, then somewhere you can do it. And then you have to download a Python interpreter.
The Django
I'm using I will leave the link of downloading and here now in the description also.